So hi guys, today I'm gonna show you this Crompton Greaves Ltd high speed 36-inch ceiling fan. As you can see, this is the fan. The fan is tiny little bit compared to the 42 and 48-inch high speeds, but the fan is really good. Today I will change the bearings of this fan and I will show you the performance of this fan after changing the bearings, because these bearings are unchanged from 2013. Yes, this is a 2013 model. So as you can see, this is the fan. As you can see, this is the Crompton Greaves Limited logo, as you can see. So now let me show you the current performance of this fan. So now let me turn it on. So as you can see, this fan became slow because it has 2 microfarad globe capacitor original, and the fan is performing well. I hope it will perform better when I will put 2.5 microfarad capacitor, but the airflow is good and the motor is exactly same as that of the 42-inch and 48-inch high speed motors, Crompton high speed obviously. And the fan will perform, I hope it will perform better with 2.5 microfarad capacitor, and you can also put 2.25 microfarad if you want. So now let me put 2.5 microfarad capacitor and now let me show you the performance. So let's continue. So now I put here Tipcon 2.5 microfarad capacitor. So now let me show you the performance. Wow, what a torque, what a speed, wow. So the airflow is quite awesome. The fan is performing really well, but the fan needs bearing replacement. So now let's continue with the video. So I teared down the fan. As you can see, this is the lower cover. This is the HCH6201 bearing, the original one. As you can see, it is looking like new but needs replacement. And you can see this is a local brand bearing, RGBRG brand bearing, local company. Somebody just replaced it recently. I don't know who replaced, but you can see these are HCH bearings, new bearings, original HCH bearings 6201 and 6202, as you can see. This is original, as you can see. So now let me show you the fake one. This is the fake, as you can see, looking like original, but this is fake. So as you can see, this is the bearing, original versus fake. So you can see the writing style of the HCH in the fake one is little bit congested compared to the normal HCH. As you can see, this is original, and the digits, 6202 digits, are very congested in the duplicate one, but in original one it's proper, as you can see. And this duplicate one has some weird noises. It is making some weird noises, but you can see actually both the bearings look same, but you have to just justify the things. So you can see this is the original one. I'm gonna put these original ACH bearings in the fan. So now let me continue. And for pulling out the bearings, you need 2 bearing pullers, 6201 and 6202. So as you can see, I have the coil. I have changed the lead wires because the original ones were dried out. As you can see the condition, and these wires are very thin. As you can see, that is why I changed with some good quality wires. As you can see, so finally the fan is installed. As you can see, it is looking really nice, looking like a brand new fan. As you can see, and I've changed the canopies because the previous ones were little bit discolored, that's why. So now let me turn it on. Wow guys, just as you saw, the acceleration is really awesome and the top speed is really awesome. It is giving a really nice airflow. I hope the speed is nearly 390 to 400 because I put 2.5 microfarad capacitor here, as you can see, and the fan has no excess sounds and the fan is really silent. There are no more bearing noises like previously it had, and obviously this Crompton high speed 36 inch is really silent and the performance is really good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed it, then like and share it, comment any queries or doubts, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, take care, see you on my next video.